An animal that went extinct 13,000 years ago, the dire wolf, has returned to Earth today. This claim is being made by Colossal Biosciences through genetic engineering, a company that states it will revive several popular extinct animal species in the future, such as the Tasmanian tiger, once found in Australia, the Dodo bird, which went extinct in Mauritius around 1600, and the woolly mammoth, giant Ice Age elephants related to modern elephants that vanished 4,000 years ago. The dire wolf, according to the company, marks their first successful attempt at reviving an extinct animal. This wolf species was popularized by the TV show Game of Thrones, where several main characters kept them as pets. Inspired by the show, the two dire wolves created by the company were named Romulus and Remus, after the mythological founders of Rome. The entire project took place at a secret location in the US, where a third dire wolf, a female named Khaleesi, after the Game of Thrones character, was also born. At first glance, this seems astonishing, but many experts have raised questions. Critics argue that the dire wolf has not truly been revived. Instead, it is a genetically engineered version of a regular wolf. To understand how this was achieved, let's break it down. The dire wolf was first discovered through fossils found near the Ohio River in the U.S. in 1854. In 1858, American scientist Joseph Leidy classified it under the Canis genus, dogs, giving it the scientific name Canis dirus, meaning fearsome dog. This genus includes dog-like animals, such as wolves and jackals. However, in 1918, scientist John Merriam studied dire wolf fossils in Los Angeles La Brea tar pits and concluded that the species was distinct from modern wolves. Further research revealed that dire wolves diverged from other wolf species nearly 5.7 million years ago. The extinction of the dire wolf is theorized to be linked to the disappearance of the large animals they hunted, while another theory points to their inability to adapt to climate changes at the end of the Ice Age. For de-extinction, Colossal Biosciences used CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing technology to modify 14 genes in gray wolves, targeting traits like size, skull shape, and fur color to mimic the dire wolf. This resulted in the birth of two male dire wolves, Romulus and Remus, and one female, Khaleesi. Critics question whether these are genuine dire wolves or merely genetically altered gray wolves. Concerns also arise about their survival in the wild. Will they thrive or remain confined to zoos? Additionally, many argue that prioritizing de-extinction over saving currently endangered species, like the Northern White Rhino, of which only two remain, is misguided. The company plans to revive the woolly mammoth, Tasmanian tiger, and Dodo bird next. However, scientists highlight challenges. Asian elephants, closest to mammoths, have a 22-month gestation period. Tasmanian tigers require artificial wombs due to their marsupial nature, and editing bird eggs, like the dodos, is highly complex. While this scientific achievement is remarkable, the ethical debate persists. Should we focus on resurrecting extinct species or protecting those on the brink of extinction? As the saying goes, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Subscribe for more.